Hey everyone, I am Robert G. and this is the I Scoot Connecticut YouTube channel. Today we have a brand new model mobility scooter from Paiseec. This is the L5 and it's the lightest mobility scooter I have tested to date. The box seems pretty big for such a compact scooter, but hopefully that just means they added extra packing material. Let's just open it up and find out. Here's the owner's manual and quick start guide. Here is the charger. It's a 2-amp charger, which is more than sufficient for a mobility scooter. Please only use this charger for this scooter. Do not mix and match chargers. As I suspected, the large shipping box is due to the scooter being totally encased in large pieces of styrofoam. Bad for the environment, but really needed to make sure that the Paiseec scooter arrives without any damage. This is their 3-in-1 accessory kit. It contains a water bottle holder, tote bag, and dust-free cover. If you're going to buy an L5 scooter, check the Paiseec website first to see what free accessories you may be shipping with at any given time. I see right now they are also shipping a picnic basket. Here's everything out of the box. Let's get it unfolded and check that it's working. There is a little yellow lever. You need to pull the lever up to unfold the scooter. I'm going to use the NFC card to turn the Paiseec L5 on and off, but you can also use one of the 2 supplied keys. It seems to unfold and work fine right out of the box. The controls are a little different than cheap mobility scooters that you might see on Amazon, so take a moment to read the manual and get familiar with the L5. There is a knob to switch between reverse and the 3 forward speeds, plus an emergency stop button that is very easy to accidentally press. In the previous clip, I showed that the L5 comes completely assembled. There are only 2 components that can be removed. The seat is held on with Velcro, and the battery handle holds it in place. You only need to remove the battery if your preference is to charge it in a separate location than the scooter, or you're going to travel on a commercial airline. The obvious advantage and selling point of the L5 is how easily and compact it folds and unfolds. Let me demonstrate it for you here. Once again, do not forget about the yellow lever to release the folding mechanism. Just to wrap things up, I was showing how compact the L5 is. It just rolls right into a corner like that. Or you can just pick it up. It weighs 32 pounds according to the website. I can pick it up with one hand. Depending on your strength or your ability, you might not be able to. You can always get a helper, but it is fairly light. It's the lightest one I've tested so far. And you can just put it into a corner like that.